Solar thermal energy is a simple idea. Instead of making electricity, we use the sun's heat directly. Unlike solar panels that power lights and appliances, solar thermal systems capture heat to warm water or air. For homes and buildings, that often means much lower hot water bills. The heart of the system sits on the roof. It's called a solar collector, and it usually looks like a flat black box or a row of glass tubes. These surfaces are designed to soak up sunlight and hold onto heat. Inside the collector, water or a special heat transfer fluid flows through pipes. As the sun hits the collector, that fluid heats up. Next comes the loop. The hot fluid moves from the roof down to an insulated storage tank. Inside the tank, it passes through a heat exchanger, which lets heat move into the clean water you actually use for showers, sinks, laundry, or sometimes space heating. The two fluids never mix. After giving up its heat, the cooler fluid flows back to the collector to warm up again. This cycle repeats again and again throughout the day. Some systems use small electric pumps to keep the fluid moving. Others rely on basic physics. Hot liquid naturally rises, and cold liquid sinks. So if the tank is placed above the collector, the system can circulate on its own with no electricity at all. To work well, solar thermal systems need good sunlight. In places like the Philippines, collectors usually face south or southwest and should avoid shading. The roof must be strong enough, especially if the tank is roof-mounted. Because the sun isn't always available, a backup heater takes over at night or during long cloudy periods. The payoff can be big. Solar thermal systems can cut water heating costs by 50 to 80%, last for decades, and reduce carbon emissions. The downsides are higher upfront cost, dependence on weather, and the need for proper installation and basic maintenance. Once installed, solar thermal is one of the simplest and most cost-effective ways to use the sun's energy.